This week, more than 29,000 new COVID cases have been reported so far, and more than 10,000 of those cases were just added today.
And that broke our single-day new case record. We have KOCO's Abigail Ogle here tonight. Abby, I know you spoke to the state health department about today's record-breaking count.
Guys, that's right. For the first time ever, Oklahoma reported more than 10,000 new cases in just 24 hours. Here's the total right here. I asked the health department if they are able to tell how many of those cases are in people who are fully vaccinated, and are we close to the peak yet for this Omicron wave?
We're expecting to hit our peak even around the latter part of January. So I think we're still a couple of weeks away from even that.
If we're a couple of weeks out from the peak, what will the peak look like? What will the numbers look like then?
We're just bracing for that impact at this point. And what we've seen time and time again with this pandemic, it's pretty unpredictable.
I asked OSDH about today's record-breaking case count of more than 10,500 new cases.
Was the state health department surprised to see this total?
I would say we were expecting cases to continue to rise.
Are you able to see how many of these positive test results were in people who were fully vaccinated?
We haven't gotten our newest numbers yet.
But Erica Rankin-Riley with the health department pointed to the most recent data they have from the last week of December, saying 30% of those cases were breakthrough infections. And she tells me of those breakthrough cases, 80% were people who were fully vaccinated but had not gotten their booster shot.
So what that tells us is people who are fully vaccinated and people who got that booster dose, they are less likely to get those breakthrough cases.
Riley also had this statistic about just how many Oklahomans who test for COVID are coming back positive.
From January 2nd to January 8th, our positivity rate was about 40%.
And just to reiterate, today's number was 10,502 new positive cases, shattering our single-day new case record. She also mentioned the rising hospitalization numbers as well, saying that while our hospitals are seeing a lot more COVID patients right now, the ICU beds aren't quite as bad as we saw in previous strains. Guys, of course, we hope it stays that way.